Are you a blogger who has always been creating nice blog posts, but at the end of the day it's always time consuming and always stressful at the same time? Well, in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how you can actually create nice blog posts in a less stressful manner. So make sure to stay tuned. In today's video, we'll be making use of an AI tool called Chatgpt to actually boost and optimize the blog post. Okay, so now all you want to do is to go to chat.openai.com. as you can see on my screen. If it's a mobile device you're making use of, you just want to do the same thing. Go to your Google or your search engine, your Chrome or whatever search engine you're making use of, and then just input chat.openai.com to get started. Now you want to register if you don't have an account, and then you want to log in if you already have an existing account. Now the next thing you want to do is to tell ChatGPT, I want to create a blog post based on certain topics. Okay, so for today's video I'm going to use political science as an example. Okay, so I'm just going to say write me a blog post on the political challenges in the world. So yeah guys, as you can see, ChatGPT is gonna create a well organized and a very nice blog you can actually use. But then please note, immediately you have these from ChatGPT, you want to run it through a plagiarism remover, okay, to ensure you're not copying people's work already, because we don't know the original site or the original area ChatGPT is actually bringing out these answers for. Now to actually remove the plagiarism, you just want to go to plagiarism checker or plagiarism remover. This is the site, plagiarismremover.net, and then you want to copy this text. Let's say you already have a nice text you want to use. You just want to copy L, Ctrl C, and then you want to come here to plagiarism remover and Ctrl V. So now immediately you paste it, you just want to come here to remove plagiarism, and now you just wait for it to be removed. So basically, what's this plagiarism? Plagiarism simply means, you know, you using someone else's content or something that was already written by someone else or by AI, and then you just want to change certain words to ensure it's unique. Okay, so that's the purpose of running it through this plagiarism checker. Okay, now immediately after it does that, all you want to do is just save it as a document file or a text file. It's that simple. So yeah guys, it's very easy. All you want to do is go to chat.openai.com, and then you just want to ask ChatGPT to write you a blog based on a certain topic, and after it does that and you're satisfied, you just want to copy it, paste it in the plagiarism remover, and then you can download it as a document or text file, and that's it. And now you can go ahead to post it on your blog site, probably your blog a blogger site or whatever social media platform you're making use of. And yeah, if you do not understand any point here, you can also ask ChatGPT to explain better for you. For example, I can just say explain number 3 for me. Okay, so you want to keep on asking ChatGPT till you're 100% satisfied with whatever it provides for you. Okay, so yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video and you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, as I am sure you didn't want to miss out on my next highly informative video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.